Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be doing a little pet review. I'm gonna show you guys all my pets. I don't know because I got a bird. I got a baby bird, a macaw, a military macaw. His name is Coco. We don't know if it's a girl or boy yet, but I'm gonna show you guys its cage. And if I have enough time, because we gotta go and see someone, if we have enough time, I am going to show you guys all my pets, but I'm not sure. So yeah, this is right there. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the bird first. Just because the baby bird, they're not illegal. So here's the baby bird. It's scared. Oh, poor baby. Hi. Yeah. Oh, wow, that's so pretty. So here's it is. His name is Coco. Focus. There it is. It's just 3 weeks old. Next week is going to be 1 month old. Happy. Cute. I'm not going to take it out because you can't hold baby macaws too much. Because once their feathers are growing as a baby, it hurts when you touch them. So I just touch its neck because I feel like that's a safer spot. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this cage. So let's go. You guys could tell me if this cage is bad or good. This is a borrowed cage. That's why it doesn't have too much things, because a lot of the things were very rusty. And don't worry, we are gonna paint everything, and I'm gonna try to make everything remodeled and healthy for the bird. So everything is very rusty, but we're gonna clean it up and make it better. So here it is. Over here, this is the cage. It's very big, bigger than me. There's the cage. So I'm gonna give you a cage tour. So we are gonna, before I give you it, as a disclaimer, we are gonna paint all of these bars. And we are going to paint the whole cage and some of the rusty things that we're going to keep, which are down there. And yeah, so I'm going to open this up. Okay, so these cages have these little things. You could open it and just get the food in. So yeah, this lighting is good. So yeah, let's start in this side. So on this side, on the outside first, there's this little opening thing. You could open it, and you could put the plates in here, and that way you could just close it like that, and that's all good. And then you could go to the other side, and it has the same thing. Hope you guys can see. But it has the same thing. Same exact thing. Maybe I'm gonna move this a little more this way. I can't move it. Okay, that's way too hard. And over here, I'm gonna have to move this a little. I'm moving it. So there we go. That's better, isn't it? So you could open the doors. Here are the doors. The door's pretty big. Those are the doors. So you open this big door. Over here, I could even crawl inside, but I'm not gonna do that. So it has these sticks that the bird could sit on. These 2 sticks. We're gonna move these sticks because these are too close together, and we kind of want to make it like a little jungle. They have some higher sticks up here, which are good. I really love these. These are so good. Like, I would prefer these sticks. Like, I really like these ones too. These ones are very good for them to perch and all of that. But these help with a lot of things. So, like, these can, like, give them more strength to perch on. They can also sharpen they could, like, their nails, make them shorter, and sharpen their beak and all of that. I really love it. We also have this little stick, and down here there's like these toys that we're gonna keep, but we're gonna like paint them and all of that with paint that is good for birds. It's fun for birds. So yeah, it's like this little toy that's all rusty, but we're gonna keep that. And we have, I could barely reach. We have this little hanger to hang the toys. Okay, and we have this bell that we're gonna keep. We're gonna keep this bell. We have another bell that we're also gonna keep, and we got another little hanger. And we have a bowl that we're gonna throw away all these bowls. All 3 of these bowls, so let's see, 1, 2, 3 of these bowls we're gonna throw away. But we do have some other bowls we are gonna keep. So that is right there. So this is also another thing I really love. I really love stainless steel. It's so good. So this little box that I have here, and we have all the peppers. I really love stainless steel. I have it for my dogs. It's so good. Cause like, see, my mom washed these. These are a little old though. That's why I have that. But it's so good because stainless steel, once you wash them, like for example this one, we washed it and it's so clean. So I really love these. These are my #1 fave of bowls. I'm gonna ask my mom if we could change like all the pet bowls into stainless steel because it's so good. Stainless steel. Please sponsor me. Sponsor me. I need sponsors. Also sponsor me for the stick. Somebody. I need the stick. Those sticks are so good. And yeah, so let me show you guys. I'm not sure if these are stainless steel. Gonavi. I'm not sure if these are Yep. Mommy, is this stainless steel? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, these are stainless steel. So Stainless steel right here. Both of these, so good. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell to be notified when the new video comes out, and notify, and comment down below what's your favorite type of bowl, and yeah, bye guys.